Welcome back, everyone. A sell-off of digital currency by the German government. Reports saying Germany's been running down its Bitcoin stash since mid-June, and on Monday it made yet another big transfer. According to blockchain firm Arkham Intelligence, most of Germany's roughly $2 billion worth of Bitcoin came from raiding a movie piracy website back in January. It says the German government still has about $1.3 billion worth of the leading cryptocurrency. And despite this, Bitcoin was trading only slightly lower in the past 24 hours. It has been seesawing, hovering roughly around $56,000. Okay, the use of cryptocurrency expands. Both governments and financial institutions are working toward more regulation of that industry. Unicorns Inc. CEO and crypto entrepreneur herself, Silvina Moschini, spoke with CGTN's Toni Waterman about the importance of supporting such new rules.
I think that you cannot be what you cannot see, so I believe entrepreneurs have a very important responsibility in working not only with regulators, but also with the public in general in educating, first about the opportunities, but second, and not less important, about the risks that come associated with investment. We always say that when you are investing, you always have to keep in mind that you need to be ready to lose everything. Hope for the best and also understand the model behind what we are offering, but education is an important part. And in working with regulators as well, there is a big opportunity that I think that many entrepreneurs didn't take into become an ally for regulators, like learning from their point of view, the importance of protecting the investors, the importance of having a framework that works for innovation, but also works as well for the protection of the investors. So we are quite active on this area, and we believe that following the guidelines and the regulations when they exist is also a very good business idea, because it helps us in our case to build trust.
The future of cryptocurrencies, as you mentioned, Bitcoin has been around for more than a decade. In the last couple of years, we've heard these absolute horror stories of people losing everything, corruption within the industry, scandal, people going and serving right now very long jail terms. I wonder what you think is going to happen in the next 5, 10, 15 years, particularly when it comes to building public trust.
I think you touch on a very, very important and sensitive point. Crypto was murky. As I said, Satoshi Nakamoto, no one knows if he's a man or a woman. The only thing that is known is that it's anonymous, and created Bitcoin to respond to the needs or desires of people who were trying to hide transactions. So there was a lot of bad actors on the crypto world, but there were a lot also of people who wanted to actually make a system, a financial system that is better, that allows for democratization of access, of opportunities to create wealth, to invest, to simplify the payment methods across the world in a global village, as Marshall McLuhan once said that we are living in. So what I see, and I've been part of the first internet age, like back in 2000, when the world was divided between the dot-coms and the brick and mortars company. I was part of the founding team of an online bank that was sold to Banco Santander Central Hispano in $785 million, 3 weeks before the market collapsed. So I've seen this before, like it's a crazy race, like a lot of people coming up with insane valuations, a lot of hype in the market, a lot of people getting burned, then an explosion, the collapse, the glacier crypto age, and then the reborn. And the same thing happens, so we got like the Alta Vistas of this world that were replaced by Google, or the MySpace that were replaced by Facebook, Meta, TikTok, etc. Same thing is happening on the crypto space. Big growth, crazy, insane things happen with a lot of bad actors. And now it's a cleaning up. Regulators coming to take more leadership and learning, working also with entrepreneurs to understand how this can contribute. and better business models, which at the end of the day is like, this is not about just the technology, it's about the creation of a solid business model to evolve the way that the finances are managed, because they hadn't changed much since the Medici. So, and the one ledger system with cash is crazy. It just doesn't work. It's absurd. And it's a natural evolution of money.